Guess what, people, yeah? We are on 10K followers. That is absolutely amazing. I put up a comment, I put up a picture in the community. Check it out, people, yeah? We're on a movement. Guess what? My day I saw today with Rando, people, yeah? And we're doing a community give back. You understand? Big up yourself, Ronnie. That is it. All right, people, yeah? We've got some jerk chicken right there, yeah? On the pan, people, yeah? We're going to be giving back to the community and giving back to the homeless. We're live here, Surrey Street Market in Croydon, one of the oldest market in the UK, more than 700 years old, people, yeah? Big up yourself. We're on what? 10K followers, subscribers. That is it. Let's get to 25K, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Yes, people, big up yourself. We're here at the community barbecue. All right, we come out today, but last night when we got up, we see a message in the socials saying that the event has been cancelled, but we still went ahead and done the event, people, yeah? So we still have to come out and give back to the community and help those that are in need, people, yeah? You understand? Our good vibes, because yesterday they had Pride, they had loads of other festive events going on in Croydon, but nothing got cancelled. But this one, that's actually a community one to give back, and everything's free, and there's no money, and the taxman's not getting nothing, they don't get involved. So we, as the people, as the community, has to put our foot down and still come out and still embrace the community and give back and keep to our word. Because if we follow them, our words, we'll be walking on our words. But we're standing on our words right now, people. We have good vibes. So look, in the pot, we've got all the steamed, the vegetables them for soup. You come down here, come. So we have to big up Rando catering here, because last night I come and link Rando, and Rando deal with the seasoning and deal with the jerk chicken. You understand, people, yeah?
See that, people? Look at that. We got Josie Vallis right here too. All right, let's go over here. Wow, guys, let's see what I go on. So you say Ringo?
Yeah, man, I have to big up Randall, man.
Ringo. Oh, can't get
him coming in and putting a strength to give back to the local community.
Yeah.
Also the homeless people, yeah. So look, his details are there. So if you need a caterer, you can link him up.
Stress. Feed the homeless.
Continue cooking some rice and
Ringo vision on a mission.
Some soup. Just forward in, people. You can good vibes.
So repeat again what you say, Avra.
Release
Scallion,
stress.
garlic, thyme,
Him
onion,
feed the homeless.
green pepper. And we also got
Ringo
pumpkin in there.
vision on a
The base that we're using
mission.
to prepare our soup today as well. And then once the soup is starting to bubble up and we clear off the surface, we're just gonna put some jerk chicken.
Would have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love and peep, him just love the street.
That is it.
Think that.
Him just
Ringo
love the
Vision is
street.
here, Chef
Ringo
Ricardo is
could
here,
have a
and
9 to
Joseph
5, him
Consortium
never
Market
fi do it.
and
Love
all
and
our
peep,
friends.
him just love the
So
street.
we all have one aim to feed 1
just
million
love
people in
the
our
street.
community and
Power.
reduce the
Release
crimes rates in the Croydon. So because
Ringo
people
feed the homeless.
they don't have a food, they're stealing the
Ringo
food from the
vision
supermarkets
on a
and people
mission.
begging in the street. We wanted to stop that and we want to help the community. Thank you people for your support. Thank you very much.
So wow, look at that. So we've got all the chopped ingredients in the pot right now. Pumpkin's bubbling up. The pumpkin's getting a lot softer now, so we're gonna start putting the solid vegetables them into the pot, people, yeah. Big up yourself, a good vibes community event. That is it, the outside people, yeah. Our good vibes. Okay, I ain't got no sriracha today. I know, innit? But you know what it is here? Hold on.
For the gods.
Oh, you bought it?
Last year I
Okay, so yeah. So you can put something here.
You can do the sandwiches down at the whatever.
Yeah.
Even juices, whatever, like anything.
Anything. So what you do is every day, Sam.
You must have like
Okay,
Westminster has a population of
really? That many?
yeah, I've done the research already. Yeah. Then Camden.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm going to go Westminster.
So you're going to try to just go little places.
And then I'm going to like Coventry. Then Ipswich and Birmingham. So I'm going to. It's just the start.
Yeah. And then like other people might get on carry on when you're in
That's amazing. And this, please. Yeah.
You want sauce?
How the food? Is it good?
It's amazing, man. Come
Wow.
on.
Jano Star. Look good, man.
General,
Damn.
General Major. Mate, 4-star. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you so kindly. Yeah.
That's banging, mate. Thank you.
Yeah, see? Thank you, boss.
Banging, brother.
Yeah, sir. Oh, you got water? Uncle, do you need water?
I'm not.
Sir, bless you. Nice one. Every time you look after me, thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you. It's amazing. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen.
Yeah, man. A good vibes. Yeah, man. See Ringo Vision still on the mission.
Came up to salute you, my brother.
They don't want to do things here.
Yeah, just yes. Jules, do you want some? You want to try some of Daddy's soup? I'll give them some. It's really hot there, but that's good. It's spicy. How you been, though? Right. I don't want any. Did you try some of mine? Thank you. You say don't drink. Alright. Yeah. Active, but active. Alright, listen, I'm just going up to the bar with him. Yeah. You're gonna see when I come back down. Alright. Come on, Mama.
That's it, Ringo.
Yeah. And good vibes, people. Yeah, big up yourself. We're outside. We've been giving out some rice and peas, jerk chicken, and now we're just on the soup, people. Yeah, and good vibes.
Two ingredients we have. You see, we feed hundreds of people today with rice and jerk chicken. Yeah, we feed here. And now we have a soup.
Yes.
Yeah, we have a 2 pot of soup we have. If anybody in our community, they can't afford the food to buy, please come Sarashti Market. And myself, I am Joseph, and our Ringo Vision, and our Chef Ricardo, and all our friends are here ready to feed you. Please come in. Thank you very much.
What a day yesterday, everyone. I just first and foremost want to thank each and every one of you that have been supporting the movement so far. We was right here, everybody, on Surrey Street Market yesterday. The council cancelled the event, the community barbecue. It was cancelled, but we still came out with good faith because there were individuals that was depending on us yesterday for a Sunday dinner. Those that were homeless, they came out. You saw the video, and we was giving back to the community, everybody. Yeah, I want to thank Chef Ricardo, thank Fend, thank Wetsy Wets, thank Joseph, for coming out. Big up Croydon Extra, big up Croydon FM. You understand, people? It was an amazing turnout, and we were still on the journey. We're in week 7 now, everybody. Yeah, so the community barbecue was the Sunday in week 6, and now we are in the Monday, week 7, everybody. Yeah, thank you very much to each and every one of you again. We're just gonna go and check Joseph down there by his stool as well and big him up. Joseph has a few words to say, everybody. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you. Our good vibes. Yeah, man, our good vibes, everybody. Yeah, so yeah, yesterday was an amazing turnout. Big up to each and every one of you that was a part of the movement. One more thing as well, everybody. Yeah, well done to me and well done to all of you. We have 10k subscribers. Wow, it's been such an amazing journey, everyone. Yeah, those of you that have been on the journey from day one, you know who you are. Those of you that have come on the journey throughout, you understand, and those of you that have just turned up, big up yourself also. Yeah, we're in the process now. Yeah, we're in the process now of actually trying to feed 1 million people. Yeah, we're in week 7 of doing that. Big up yourself, everybody. Let's go and check Joseph. Our good vibes. Yes, Mr. Joseph. I just want to say, Joseph, yeah, thank you for all the producers that you provided yesterday for the community give back, because out of the whole community, it was just 2 people from Croydon that participated, that have business, which was you and it was Randall. So I want to say thank you. Out of the whole of Croydon, you 2 represented to give back to the local community and the homeless.
Thank you, Ringo. Thank you, the people who supporting us. You see, because of your support, we feed hundreds of people yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, and we have yesterday from 11 o'clock up to 5 o'clock, all the day we have a food. We have a barbecue chicken, we have a rice and peas, we have a soup, we have a salad, we have a lot of vegetables there to feed the people. We are very happy yesterday, very nicely. There is no any violence or arguments, nothing. It's never happened in our when you feed people, they come to feed happily and go. You know, there is nothing happened. But you know, but unfortunately, our event cancelled by the police or the
authority.
Yeah, authority. But we wanted to say that our aim only to feed the people from our community. Our aim to feed million meals in our community. We want to achieve with your support. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support.
Thank you, Joseph.